Hi, Toma. Guess what can I do? See? Come on. Come on. Huh? Come on. Come on, Toma. Show the real crowing. I know you can do it. Come on. So I can sit. See? See? Come on. Show it. He can crow around. He just can't show it right now. See, I can sit from the laying down. But I don't want to show more than that today. Huh. Okay, well, maybe next time. You say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Oh, before say bye-bye. Oh, nope. You give up. Okay, bye-bye.